Elevate your wellness, 20 essential morning superfoods for a vibrant start, as well as how to stay healthy. Welcome to Elevate Your Wellness, 20 essential morning superfoods for a vibrant start. Today, we'll explore how to kickstart your day with these nutritious superfoods and maintain optimal health. 1. Bananas, high in potassium. Bananas help regulate blood pressure and keep you energized throughout the day. 2. Oats. Oats are a complete protein and a great source of fiber, helping to regulate digestion and lower cholesterol levels. 3. Greek yogurt. Packed with probiotics, Greek yogurt helps improve digestion and supports a healthy immune system. 4. Avocado. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce bad cholesterol levels and support heart health. 5. Spinach. A fantastic source of iron, vitamin K, and folate. Spinach helps support red blood cell production and is a great folate source. 6. Eggs. Rich in protein, eggs are an excellent way to fuel your morning and support muscle growth and repair. 7. Salmon. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon helps support a healthy heart and brain and is also a great source of protein. 8. Blueberries. High in vitamin C and antioxidants, blueberries help boost immune function and support healthy skin. 9. Hummus. Made from chickpeas, hummus is a tasty and nutritious source of plant-based protein and healthy fats. 10. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea helps improve mental focus and support overall heart health. 11. Turmeric. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric supports a healthy immune system and may help reduce pain. 12. Coconut oil. High in healthy fats, coconut oil helps improve digestion and may also help regulate blood sugar levels. 13. Turmeric latte. Made from turmeric, milk, and spices, a turmeric latte is a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. 14. Peanut butter. High in protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins, peanut butter is a great snack or breakfast option. 15. Walnuts unsalted. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, walnuts help support digestion and keep you full. To stay healthy, it's essential to make small, sustainable changes in your daily routine. Incorporate these essential morning superfoods into your meals and snacks to support a vibrant, healthy start to your day. Remember to stay hydrated, get adequate sleep, and manage stress for optimal well-being. Enjoy your healthy start to the day. If you enjoyed today's video, hit subscribe for more content like this. Join our community, stay updated, and never miss out on the fun. Click that red subscribe button now. Let's build something awesome together.